Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a gasket change on the timing cover for this 2013 Honda Civic. I already took it off. It has three 10mm bolts in there, and this is how it looks right now. So I think it was leaking somewhere over here in the bottom part. I got this old razor blade. I'll be taking the old gasket, cleaning it with the wire brush. So let me pause the video for a bit and I'll remove that. So I already cleaned it with the wire brush. Now I'll put this on. Okay, I know it's not perfect, but that should do the job. Try to put it on the car. So I got it on there. So I'm gonna start putting one by one in there. So I have to get the camera out of the way. Uh, I'm gonna tie it hand tight first, and then wait 5 minutes. I'm gonna tie it a little bit more. So I was able to get it in there. Had a little bit of trouble. Doesn't look great. Hopefully it works. I have not tied it up yet. I just tied it up with my fingers and 10 millimeter in my hands. I have not used the ratchet yet. And for the Honda Bond, the direction right there. So I'm gonna leave it like 5-10 minutes before I start tightening it up correctly. I don't know what torque it's supposed to have, and I'm gonna wait 2-3 days. Today's Friday night. For Friday, I probably won't use the car till Tuesday, just to let it dry completely. Um, so I used this before. Right here, I did change the gasket that goes here. I changed it last week. I didn't make a video though. I was in a hurry to get it done. The engine was getting dirty. Had a small leak also. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe.